Got these new Nerf Dinosquad guns here. Pretty cool. Armor Strike Dinosquad. Got the smaller one here, Raptor Splash. And then we got the Fortnite Nerf guns right here. Got the compact SMG gun. And then we got some Nerf Saber Wing Minecraft crossbow type thing here. Got a Nerf Pro Hoop here. Some of the Nerf guns. I got the Elite 2.0. They got a target here. They got Elite 2.0 flip shots, flip 8. They got these little Ender Dragon Minecraft guns here. Got this Fortnite flare gun. Got a Fortnite micro bombs away. Fortnite SR. Then they got a Peely pack. They got this 6SH BASRL DG BAR. Got lots of Fortnite. And then they got some more Minecraft up here. Pillagers. They got a Stormlander. Here's a Nerf MechStrike Monster Hunters Marvel. I got a little bitty Roblox gun here. That's the Elite 2.0 one. Got this awesome Dinosquad Blast gun. The Nerf Elite 2.0 Flip Shots Flip 16. They got a Prospect QS4 Wild Edition. Another one here. And they got the big dogs up here. Got some extra ammo. Got the Nerf Ultra right here. And they got the Rival right here. Got the Hyper. The smaller version. Got a Nerf Weather Blitz football. Then they got replacement darts for the Mega. And then some Sonic Screamers. Got some more of the Nerf Mech Strikes. Got Iron Man and Captain America shield here. Here's a Nerf Spiderman web bolt gun.